What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play FDD by Jasiah. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it only uses a few different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Now the chords you need to know for this song are all power chords, and again, this just repeats throughout the entire song. The first one is going to be an E bar chord, which is index finger on the 7th fret on your A string, ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Then you're going to slide that down to an F power chord, which is the same exact formation, but you're on 10, 12, 12 now. And then slide that formation, the same exact formation, all the way down to a C bar chord, which is now 3, 5, 5. Now once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. So the entire thing is going to be palm muted, which means you're going to put the fleshy part of your hand here on the bridge of the guitar, where when you down pick the strings, you get this punchy kind of muted sound. If your hand's too far forward, it'll just be totally muted, and if it's too far back, it won't be muted at all. So just find the spot where you can pluck the strings and they're slightly muted, but you can still tell what the notes are. So we'll do this in counts of 4. On your E bar chord, you're doing 1 count of 4, all down plucks with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go to the F bar chord, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then your C is going to be 2 counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you wanted to get it to sound a little bit more like the song, what I do every now and then is I will lift my hand off every now and then to kind of let the strings ring a little bit more than they would normally with being palm muted. So what I'm doing there is I'm just kind of taking my hand off and on the strings a little bit more on just random plucks to let the strings ring out just slightly more than they are with the palm muting. And then he is kind of sliding in between those bar chords as well. So I'll play that through a couple times so you can see what it looks like. Again, I'm just trying to get the strings to ring out a little bit and then mute them again to make it sound more like the song. Have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner, and the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.